All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about break, like a break we take a break and all that. Do you prefer a long break or several short breaks?
Well, I prefer several short breaks because I don't have much spare time to bother long breaks. That's why I usually like short breaks.
Okay, what do you usually do during a break?
Well, during these breaks, I usually spend times with my family, or I used to scroll the social medias, and that's why mostly I spend my time with the family and
Okay,
social
don't
media.
use I used to. Used to is used in the past tense. So you can say I often scroll through social media and all that. All right, why do you need to take a break?
Yes, as a human being, we always need to take breaks. That's healthy for our minds, our body, to be fresh for other tasks. That's why break is very necessary for us.
All right, how often do you take a break?
Well, often, I can say that I take a daily break for some hours to daily routines like study and caring of my
This
kids.
answer is not clear. It's not related to the topic. How often do you take a break? Well, it depends. If I have a long, busy day, then I prefer to take break 2 to 3 times. Otherwise, normally I only take one break, and that is in the afternoon. And before and after that, I continue with my work. So the break I take that depends on my daily routine. It should be like that. And try to speak fluently. You are communicating word by word. You should speak sentence by sentence. For example, I want to drink a glass of water. It's word by word. I want to drink a glass of water. It's a sentence by sentence. Okay, just focus like that. All right, thank you. Let's go on. How often do you have a haircut?
I prefer to take a new hair look and a new haircut mostly after 2 to 3 months because it's good for our look and also for the hair growth. So I
Okay.
prefer to take a new haircut after two to three
Yeah, I
months.
prefer to go for a haircut after a couple of months, after 2 to 3 months, like that, or after 8 to 12 weeks. So you can use a variety for that. All right. How long have you had your current hairstyle?
In Eid, for Eid, I go to take a new
I
hair
went to
look.
have.
I went to
The question is, how long have you had your current hairstyle? Like I have had by present perfect tense. I have
yes.
had my current hairstyle for a month because
Uh,
on last Eid I had this style. Before that I had long hair, but now I've got this style. So to answer your
yes.
question, I have had this hairstyle for a week or month like that.
Yes.
Okay, it's just like that. Now let's go on. Have you ever had an unhappy haircut experience?
Yes, most of time because I select a beautiful haircut from a picture or some magazine, but the hair expert sometimes cut into a short or a long haircut form. But so I prefer to take a haircut from a expert one.
Okay, so I mean, the question is, have you ever had, means have you ever experienced a bad haircut and all that? So you should mainly
Yes.
focus on that. For
Yes.
example, last time when I went to the parlor, actually my hairdresser was not there, so there was an other dresser and she cut my hair and I looked horrible and I was so much worried about that. And then finally my own hairdresser arrived and she set the hair and still I was not very happy. So yes, I've
Yes.
had one very bad
Haircut
hair cutting
experience.
experience like that. Okay,
Yes.
all right, let's go on. Do you like to have your hair cut? Do you like to have your hair cut? Yes, I love
Yes,
to
I
have my
love to
hair
have a
cut. When I sit on that chair of the
yes.
hairdresser, I really enjoy. And when they cut my hair and they play with my hair, I like that, something like that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have the beauty parlors, we have the other ones, yeah. Exactly, yeah. So you should speak more about it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now answer the last question. Do you like to have your hair cut?
Yeah, I love to have a new hair look, and the environment is so beautiful, and new looks, and beauty is weakness for the women mostly. So I love to have a new haircut, new look. So I really enjoyed it.
All right, this is good. So just try to stick to the main topic and try to answer accordingly, right?
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Thank you.
lot.